if you've lost access to your Gobble account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Gobble login page. Go to the official Gobble website and click on the login option. Look for Forgot Password, link or similar option to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Gobble account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the recovery link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Choose a strong, new password that you haven't used before. Confirm the password and submit it to complete the recovery process. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log into your Gobble account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gobble's customer support for further assistance.